I am back in the UK, I'm back in the usual setup, but I am back and I'm back with the sniffles. I have been a little bit ill since I got back and today has not gone to plan. Today's video was meant to be a exciting, fun video of me at my first ever road race. That was planned for Sunday and didn't go ahead. I was not very well. I wasn't well enough to actually go and do it. The day before, I tried to go on the bike at home just to kind of do my activation ride, if you like, for before a race, and it just felt really hard. I felt like my head was going to explode, and I've literally just been in bed for the past few days, just like coughing and sneezing and just being generally a little bit under the weather. And I think it's just because we just did so much in that week in Gran Canaria, and then obviously just sat on the plane with other people's germs and in a closed space, and I've just picked something up. It's my own fault. I've obviously not rested enough or stayed hydrated to keep my immune system high, so it is what it is. I didn't get to do my first road race, but I've got another one planned for the end of the month, so yeah, you'll just have to wait for then. But I didn't want to not obviously post a video. I just wanted to kind of just say hello and then I'm back. And I thought I would answer a few of your questions while we've got the time, because otherwise this is going to be a bit of a boring video of me just basically saying I'm not very well. So I couldn't find the tripod either. I've been wandering around my house looking for it, and then I thought it was in my car, and so I went to the car and then accidentally went to the shop. I just slipped into the driver's seat, slipped it into first gear, and off I went to the shop and bought rainbow drops because I'm not very well, and obviously this is the best kind of food when you're not very well. So you just wanted something just something a bit bad. These are my favourite. For sweets wise, if I'm ever going to be bad, these, soft mints, Parma violets, that is a good day. I don't know. Let's answer some questions. Oh God, I love them so much. So yeah, just very quickly, I had such a good time in Gran Canaria. I think I guessed that when I was editing all the videos, I got to the end of the video, I was like, oh, I've not even filmed a bit of an outro, and I'd be filming it first thing in the morning, so I was like, well, I can't really film anything now. So hence why the outros were a little bit kind of just abrupt. So let's have a little look through the questions. So Nikki Sunlight asks, how many miles have you got done in your week in Gran Canaria? I don't actually know. I know that my TSS score for the week was quite high, so I think that one ride for Valley of the Tears was around 300 just for that one ride. So yeah, I don't know how many miles did I do. Have a look on my Strava. My Strava is linked in the description if you want to look at any rides that I've done or anywhere that I've been or anything kind of like that. All my stuff is on Strava, so have a little look on there. I'm trying to think approximately. How many K did we do? I don't know. 500K, maybe 500? Oh God, I've got no idea. I can tell how much I pay attention to my Strava. Another question. Lighthouse of Peace asks, what is that you have on your back? Is that what you carry your leg warmers and sleeves and your jacket in? No, actually, I think the picture that it's a screenshot. A thumbnail of a video. It's actually my camera. I carry this camera on my back when I'm riding, so I think that's all my saddle bag, but I don't know. I think the picture that you're referring to, the thumbnail, is the camera. Another question, where is the Cannondale bike? Cannondale bike is there. It is well, it is okay. Actually, the reason that you haven't seen it in the video is because I'm changing, one sec, the stem. I'm getting a short stem for it, dun dun dun. I know, it's naughty, but I just want a short stem. I felt the reach is slightly too long for me, so I'm going to try a shorter stem and see how I get on with it. So that is where the Cannondale is. And that was Chris Maffei who asked that question. So thank you very much, Chris. Another question, why no front mech upgrade? Still on the 5800 for that. That's from Lazy Gardener. That is very, very well spotted. You have eagle eyes. So the reason for that is because the one that came in the actual group set box was not a braze-on version, and I needed that for my bike, so I've had that sent now, so that is just waiting to go on. Good spot though. Good spot, Lazy Gardener. Rob Tomlinson asked, what's the yoga program or app that you have been using, please? We were actually logged into Darius's Sufferfest account. I've actually got an account now, and all the yoga sessions are on there, and I did one yesterday and I'm keeping it up. I'm definitely going to be doing them more regular. If you want me to do a video of me filming me doing it, then who knows, let's do a yoga video. I'm not very good though, but I guess that's why I'm doing it. I want to get better. Matthew Nash asks, can you explain, excuse me, see, I'm not very well. Matthew Nash asks, can you explain more about flying with your bike? Do you add it when booking it, etc.? A few people ask like how I travel with a bike. If you search my channel, there are a lot of videos about this, but in short, yes, when you're making a booking, different airlines charge different fees. Short haul you do have to pay, generally long haul you don't, it's just included generally in your like checked in baggage. So yeah, you just add it on there, and then someone else asked about getting it to and from the airport. You just get a taxi or take it on the train or whatever, and then when you get to the other end, you just get a taxi or hire a car. It's as simple as that. Last question I think is, oh yeah, can you show how travelling overseas with a bike works? It is that simple. It is just that simple. It's just like taking any other piece of luggage onto a plane. Apart from you do have to book it in specifically as a bike. I think that's all the questions that I had for now. Oh, one other question. I'm not doing Paris Brest Paris. I get so many questions about this on so many different videos. Like, oh, you're training for Paris Brest Paris. No, I'm just not. I know you would think that I would be because I love Audax, but I just would rather do other long distance stuff rather than that. I just think it just seems like a big faff to go and do that ride. Maybe I'll want to do it again in 4 years. Who knows, it is only every 4 years, but no, I'm not that bothered about it this year. I don't know why, it just doesn't really interest me. So yeah, I'm gonna get back now because I did actually get dressed. I say get dressed, I mean throw on this for the video. So I'm probably gonna go and get back in my dressing gown, back into bed, and I will see you on Wednesday for maybe bike review. I've not put up the Canyon Grail review yet, so that is waiting to go up, so maybe I will save that one for Wednesday. So keep an eye out for that if you're interested in how I got on with the Canyon Grail. And until then, I will see you next video. So thank you so much again for all the nice comments. I always do this. I always get to the end of the video and then I go and then I'll just like add something else on, but genuinely, excuse me, it's so nice reading all your comments when I'm away, and I just had the best time, so it's lovely to share it with you all. So yeah, on that note, I'll see you on Wednesday for the Grail review. Right, back to my rainbow drops, and I'll see you next week. Well, actually, what's your favourite childhood sweet? Remember, I'm vegan though, so if you've got any decent oh my gosh, did you know? I saw this on the Vegan UK Facebook group, so this is a massive tangent, but if you are vegan and you like sweets, apparently fruit salads and blackjacks are now vegan. No gelatin in them anymore. If that is true, I want to go wild because I love blackjacks. Anyway, this has turned into a very long video. It's probably a very boring video for you, so I'm gonna go and stuff my face with the rest of these. Bye! Not done that for a while. Oh, I missed one.